Campaigning is going to end for the third and final phase of assembly elections in Jammu and Kashmir. Political parties are making last-ditch efforts to woo the voters. We are in Nagrota Assembly segment right now, and I have with me Congress's National General Secretary Sachin Pilot. Mr. Pilot, first of all, many thanks for speaking to India Today. Mr. Pilot, you have been campaigning extensively in Jammu region. What has been the response of the people so far?
I think this election is different because this election is happening purely because the Supreme Court ordered the Government of India and the Election Commission. Otherwise, Government of India was very happy to continue central rule through LG. But election is happening because the Supreme Court intervened. So I must thank the Supreme Court. But the atmosphere, the people, the voters, the aspirations of young people all indicate that they want to change. Post Lok Sabha elections, people have also decided that Congress is a better alternative. And our alliance here is very well placed, both in Jammu region and in the Kashmir region. I've been to Rajouri, Poonch, I'm in Udhampur, and Jammu. Everywhere, I think our alliance partners, candidates are far ahead than the opposition.
How confident are you about the victory of Congress and National Conference Alliance in Jammu and Kashmir?
Well, I think people have tested it because BJP had a government here with the PDP. They've seen that. They've seen the LG's rule. They've seen the Government of India's rule. And today, people are actually fed up with what has been promised to them. Even now, the BJP is making tall promises. But for last 10 years, what stopped the BJP from delivering what they're promising today? And then the snatching away of the statehood. That was a move that I think that has really dealt a severe blow to the self-respect and pride of the people of Jammu and Kashmir.
You feel that's one of the main issues in these elections, restoration of statehood?
Certainly is. And the only political party that was responsible for the demoting of a state to a UT is the BJP. They have a lot to answer. So statehood is an issue we have committed as Congress party. The minute we form the government, one of the first things we'll do is restore full statehood.
But Mr. Pilot, BJP leaders are saying that how can Congress and National Conference restore statehood? It's the BJP government that can do it. How do you respond?
The state assembly will have political powers. There are legal ways to do it. But let the elections happen. See, now they have been pushing through the agenda because they had a brute majority in the Lok Sabha. After June 4th, 2024, that has changed. Now it's a coalition government. Now the opposition has more than 230 MPs in parliament. So a lot has changed. But the commitment of the Congress party stands that full restoration of statehood is one of our top agendas. We've said in our manifesto and we'll have it done.
Mr. Pilot, Congress and National Conference are fighting this election in an alliance. There is a pre-poll alliance. But there are 5 assembly segments where there is quote-unquote friendly fight. And this assembly segment where you are right now, Nagrota assembly segment, here also there is a friendly fight between the National Conference and the Congress party. BJP is saying what kind of an alliance is this where two so-called alliance partners are fighting each other?
See, we are both old political parties. Every political party has a support base everywhere. Sometimes it is not possible to adjust all the candidates. And in a few seats, we had a understanding. It is not something that is happening randomly. It is understanding that we'll have alliance in these many seats. And a few seats where we feel both of our candidates were strong. One of them will win. Ultimately, whoever wins will be part of the alliance itself. Right. So I don't think it's a big political issue. It's just a question of configuration and management. But the fact of the matter is we'll get a clear majority. It won't come to a question of whether we need independence or not. We'll have a full majority on our own.
Mr. Pilot, Umar Abdullah, he's your alliance partner. Recently, he said that Rahul Gandhi and the Congress leaders are not serious about the campaigning in Jammu region. They are not focusing properly. How would you respond to that?
You are misinterpreting what he said. He said that the Congress party has larger shares of seats in the Jammu region and we should win more seats there. Obviously, National Conference has more seats in the Kashmir Valley. Right. So he was talking about the third phase being very important because we have more seats that go to polls which are under the Congress share. That's what he said. So don't construe words. And we are fighting together to give, not for ourselves, to give the people of J&K a new accountable government that will bring about development, that will listen to people's voices, not the kind of draconian rule that they've had for so long. People want to get rid of the LG rule and the central government's rule, and that's why the, NC and Congress will form the government here.
Mr. Pilot, if Congress National Conference Alliance falls short of numbers, are you ready to embrace the PDP?
There is no question of us not falling short. We will form a government with full majority.
But is there space for PDP in this alliance in the post-poll scenario?
In Jammu and Kashmir, the current alliance is with Congress and NC, but all other political parties who are part of India Alliance remain in India Alliance.
So one important question, one last question.
Let me clarify. Who is in India Alliance remains in India Alliance. But for this particular election, NC and Congress have had a seat-sharing arrangement.
Mehbooba Mufti has, said that she is not going to campaign today, and she has called Hizbullah chief a martyr. Nasrullah, how would you respond
I don't want to comment on what someone else is doing. I'm focused on our campaign, what we stand for. And I think Jammu Kashmir is witnessing a historic election. The world is watching, and I'm hopeful that the people will vote, according to what we think they should be voting on.
Mr. Pilot, you spoke to us. Many thanks. We wish you all the best.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
So that was Sachin Pilot, General Secretary of the Congress Party, and he clearly exuded confidence that Congress National Conference Alliance is going to emerge victorious in Jammu and Kashmir. With video journalist Neeraj Kumar, this is Sunil Bhatt reporting from Nagrota Assembly segment in Jammu for India Today.